We celebrate Veterans Day because we want to honor the veterans who fought for our country.
To celebrate the veterans that served us in the war.
We celebrate Veterans Day to honor the people who risked their lives to serve our country.
The reason why we celebrate Veterans Day is to honor the soldiers. We celebrate Veterans Day because we want to honor the hard-working people that serve our country.
A veteran is a person who helps save America from wars. They help protect us. A veteran is someone who fights for our home and our country. Helpful to America because they are fighting wars. A veteran is like a person that goes to war and fights for our country. Veterans are someone that keeps our home safe. They fight in wars to protect us. When they fight for us and fight for the country and for war. Thank you, veterans.
Thank you, veterans.
Thank you, veterans. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, veterans.